you think now? Man, I'm about to go in, bro. Watching that shit drop. Uh, Kill him when I pull up, baby, leave a murder scene. You popping like a firecracker, hotter than the third degree. I'm just trying to chill with you, maybe pop a pill with you. Get a little head on the phone with my other bitch. I can't make my top drop, but you can take your top off. You can keep your shoes on, but I'ma knock your socks off. The way she breathing hard, I can swear she had asthma. When I take it slow, why she tell me do it faster? She tell me I'm a dog, but I know she love my pedigree. I head between my legs like the bitch is getting pedigree. The head stay low while I'm whipping on the I-10. Like I'm sneaking an immigrant across the border in. She worth a quarter and I love the way she pay attention. And switch to tasting, did I mention that she like bitches? And later on, I'ma take her by your place. My network poppin', keep a bitch up out of my space.